The art of painting miniature figures as we see it today is a relatively young craft dating back from the 1950s at the end of World War II. However, the existence of these figures goes as far back in history as ancient Egypt, where polychromatic miniatures representing soldiers were not uncommon, or classical Rome, where true lead soldiers were produced, although we do not know exactly for which purpose. During the long time period between the end of the Roman Empire and the late 19th century, miniature soldiers appear regularly as highly valued and desired objects. It is until the last decade of the 19th century that a new kind of figure appears. In contrast with the former miniature figure, the toy soldier is affordable for most people. Such was its popularity, that a totally new industry was born primarily in Europe. During the 20th century, after all the events stemming from both world wars and at the highest point of the toy soldier dominance, Norman Newton and Chas Staden produced the very first examples of what would be known, therefore, as the model soldier. This model soldier is a miniature figure created under strict budgets previously unknown, and artistic criteria long ago forgotten. Since then, numerous artists have spent countless hours silently working in their sophisticated and mostly unknown art of the miniature figure. Welcome to this world of unique sensations.